Now shifting focus, India has reacted to the tensions which have been rising between Thailand and Cambodia. Now New Delhi says that it is closely monitoring the situation that has been developing between the two neighbors. At the same time, it's urging both the nations to cease hostilities. It has advised its nationals to avoid border areas and also stay in touch for assistance. In fact, the official spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs, Randhir Jaiswal, in a statement said that India hopes both sides here, Thailand and Cambodia, will take measures for cessation of hostilities. He also shared helpline numbers for Indians in both the countries. In fact, earlier the Embassy of India in Cambodia also issued a travel advisory for Indian nationals, advising them to avoid travelling to border areas due to the ongoing clashes along the disputed border. Now the tensions between two countries, Cambodia and Thailand, they have been rising for a few weeks now, and different countries in the region are now reacting to the situation, with New Delhi saying that it's closely monitoring the situation as to how it's developing, and at the same time advising both the countries to cease the hostilities and the ongoing clashes. Now, the Ministry of External Affairs has also issued helpline numbers for the Indian nationals living in the countries. They've also issued a travel advisory advising them to avoid travelling to border areas due to the ongoing clashes. Situation escalating between the two countries has now prompted countries in the region to now react. Now, the ministry spokesperson also shared helpline numbers for Indians who have been living in these countries, and if they face any distressful situation, they can reach out to these helpline numbers. They've also been advised to avoid border areas and to stay in touch with the officials, with the embassy officials in this case, for assistance. New Delhi continues to monitor the situation very closely. That's now escalating between Cambodia and Thailand. Remember, the two countries have a disputed border, and now the clashes have been witnessing along the border, which has prompted the countries to take stock of the situation and issue advisories as well. New Delhi, in this case, has issued advisories for its citizens. When we talk about the fatalities in this case, so far, 13 people have died, according to Cambodia's Defense Ministry. This includes 8 civilians and 5 soldiers. Meanwhile, 71 others have been wounded in the case. On the other side, Thai army says 5 soldiers have been killed, which brings the death toll to about 20 from the Thailand side.